Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these tasty, low-carb zucchini lasagna roll-ups. Got that? Zucchini lasagna roll-ups. Anyway, it's super easy. A little bit more steps than maybe making a regular lasagna, but I love it because it's just packed with veggies, and I think that you're gonna love it too. So let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna prepare the filling. I have some ricotta cheese here. Add a little bit of freshly cracked pepper. Add in some sea salt. We're gonna add in 1 egg. Now I'm just gonna mix this all together. You just wanna make sure that the egg is evenly spread throughout all of the ricotta cheese. Now we're gonna mix in some frozen spinach. It's been thawed. Just wanna make sure that's evenly spread throughout. So the key when you're making these lasagna noodles, the ones out of zucchini, is when you're using your peeler, you really wanna kind of press down. Not so much that you break it, but you wanna press down a little bit more than you usually would because you wanna get a nice, thicker slice than you typically would when you're peeling. That way, when you're rolling it up or covering it with ricotta, the zucchini noodle doesn't break. That's really important. So to make my zucchini rolls, I just have a large peeler here. I'm just gonna use that to shave off strips. You just wanna do the whole zucchini. Okay, so I love zucchini. It's great in savory dishes like this one. It's wonderful in zucchini bread, where it's, a much sweeter dish. But I wanna know, what's your favorite zucchini recipe? If you have one, share it below. Tell me what it is, I wanna know. Okay, so now we're just gonna spread our ricotta and spinach mixture on a thin layer over the shaved zucchini. Just a little bit at a time. And then after you spread the ricotta mixture out, you just want to roll them up and place them in the sauce. So one fun twist on this recipe, if you wanted to mix it up a little bit, you could actually take the zucchini, lay it out on a baking sheet and roast it first. You could also grill it too, just to kind of give it a little bit of a different flavor. So just a way to mix it up. And now you just want to add them to a baking dish that has marinara sauce in it. About an inch of sauce in the pan. And just get them in there nice and cozy. You just want to top the rolls off with more marinara sauce. Let's get them all covered there. And just top the rolls off with some shredded mozzarella. If you're vegan and you want to make something like this, it's really simple to veganize. Just replace the ricotta cheese with either a cashew cheese, or you could use pureed white beans. You can also use mashed potatoes. The thing that you have to worry about is when you roll it up and you put it in the baking sheet with the marinara sauce, you want it to keep together. So you're gonna need some sort of egg replacer, so that way that whatever you choose to use doesn't spread out when it's baking. That probably won't happen if you use white beans, but it might happen with the mashed potatoes. But it's super easy to veganize. Now let's throw it in the oven to bake. Okay, so that's baking, and I have a question for you. The holidays are coming up, and I'm planning out my holiday content. So if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below and let me know, or hit me up on Twitter at Jerry James Stone. But I just want to know what you're looking for. Is there a particular recipe that you want made vegetarian or vegan, or is there something that, flavor-wise, you just love, you can't get enough of cranberries? Tell me what your favorites are, drop it below, and I'll try to work it into the schedule, okay? And I just bake that for about 30 minutes or so until it bubbles around the edges and it's all delicious looking with that melted cheese. Let it sit for a few minutes, topping it off with some freshly chopped parsley, and then you're ready to serve. So that's it. That's how you make this delicious low-carb zucchini lasagna roll-ups. I think that they are super tasty. They look fun. They're really healthy. The one drawback that I feel is that this dish is best enjoyed right out of the oven. Bake it, eat it, done. It doesn't keep too well in the fridge, just to let you know. You can still do it, but you're gonna experience a little bit of a texture change from when you first made it. That's just my one thing. If you like this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment below. And you know what? I release a new video every week, so if you love to cook, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.